Hello there. So today I'll be talking about trend line, trend line, and what they are used for. Now, trend line mostly they are just like the normal support and resistance, but they are just used when the market is trending either upward or downward. Let's say, for example, we have a trending market that is trending upward. So you actually cannot see your normal support and resistance here. So what do? You use what? You use your trend line. You use your trend line to get a view of what of that support level of trending market. Now let's say in a downtrend we have something like lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then you cannot actually get to support level in your resistance level in that way. So what do? You use trend line to get your what? To get your support level, get your support level. Now trend line uh Now, for a trend line to be a valid trend line, it has to touch at least two levels on the chart. One, two, at least two. Two is okay. Then the third touch is where you can what look for reaction to take your trade. Now let's do a live chart. I think I have one here. Now you can see we have multiple touches here, right? We have multiple touches. We have one here. We have one. We have two. And now I'm waiting 2, 3, 4. And now I'm waiting for the fifth touch here. I'll wait for the market to touch here and then what look for reaction around the zone to take my what buy to take my buy reaction since the market is trending upward. But if eventually the market is able to break below this trend line, I'll wait for it to break below it, then wait for the retest and what and take my short take my shots on this market. So that's that about trend line. Just wait for reactions around this there's just like a normal support and resistance level. But when the market is trending either upward or downward, you cannot see the normal support and resistance. So that's where trend lines comes in. So how do you draw your trend line? To draw your trend line, you mark either from week to week. Like this one now, I'm marking from week to week. Let me do this. I'm marking from week to week. Or you mark from what? From body to body. But mostly I prefer marking from what? From week to week to week because that's what you like mostly see. So let me draw another example so that we can see. Let's look for another example. Maybe a downtrend or something. Yeah. I'll get it. All right. Yeah. Okay. So you can see. So I'm marking from what? I'm marking from week to week. One. That's the first touch. Then second touch. Now, so this makes this a valid trend line. Then we have a third touch here, and then the fourth touch. What do you see? Market broke above it, we tested, then uh, up. So and that's how you use a trend line. You use just like normal support and resistance level. So if you enjoy this, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button for more valuable content like this. And to join my free WhatsApp group community, you can check the link in the description below to join me and let's trade together everything. So that's that for today. In my next video, I'll talk about how the market moves, that's the movement of the market. So guys, see you in my next video. Peace out.